Today I'm going to be talking about the January sales. In the UK, January sales take place every year. They start on Boxing Day, which is the day after Christmas, and run through into the month of January. The January sales have been going on for over 100 years now, and they're still always a good way to get a deal. I love shopping in the January sales. I always make sure I have a little bit of extra money left over to make sure I can make the best of reductions in my favourite shops. Usually, I'd hop on the bus to my nearest city and spend the day wandering around all sorts of different stores, looking at what reductions they have on offer. I love browsing all sorts of things. After a morning walking around shops, generally I'd grab some lunch at a coffee shop, sometimes Starbucks, sometimes a little local place, and sit down and rest for a bit. Then I might do a few more shops, really just seeing what I spot, seeing what items I can see, and spending any Christmas money I've got. I especially like spending any vouchers I've gotten, and all in all it makes for a really nice day out. This year, of course, things have been a bit different, but I haven't let the change get me down. This year I've had to think more about what I wanted to buy. It definitely took a bit more work to work out which shops were having discounts and when. A few times I had to jump on the computer at just the right moment to make sure what I wanted was going to still be in stock. But I made some good savings and I'm really happy with it. In particular, I've supported some smaller shops this year, which I really enjoyed, and I probably wouldn't have done if things hadn't have had to be online. What sort of things do you like to buy when they're on sale? Is there anything you would never pay full price for? I usually try and get seasonal clothing like coats and scarves at a lower price. Thanks for chatting with me today.